Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to add three numbers using functions in C# programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching in all my videos, likes, comments, suggestions, and inquiries about my services in computer programming. Thank you so much. So let's get started guys. So we have here in our C#, we have here the basic structure, and then I create a function here, public static int addition underscore three numbers, and then I have three passing parameters, num1, num2, and num3, which has all data type of integer. When we say integer, it refers to data type that is whole number, zero, negative numbers. Inside of our function, we have here a variable, integer again, total underscore sum, and then we add the sum of num1 plus num2 plus num3, and then we use the return function to return the result of total sum, and then we close. Next, we have your static main, and then I have here four variables with the same data type of integer, num1, num2, num3, and sum. And then we have here the title of our program, addition of three numbers using functions in C#. New line, and then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give three values. So convert to int 32, red line num1, and then num number 2 here for second variable, and for the third variable we have here num number 3. Then using another variable sum, we call the function. How do we call a function? Is very simple. Sum equals addition underscore 3 underscore numbers, and then we pass num1, num2, and num3 as passing parameter. As you can observe guys, all this variable has the same data type, integer, from this portion, in this portion, and then in this portion also, and then this accepting of values. And then we have here the total sum is an end of program in read key, and then we close our program here. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. So let us run our program so that we can check the result. Okay, addition of three numbers using functions in C#. Give first value, we have 5. Second value we have 3, the third value we have 6, the total sum is 14, end of program. Let us run again for the second time around. First value we have 45, second value 12, and then third value we have 34. So the total sum is 91, end of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on addition of three numbers using functions in C# programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.